Guys, as you can see, I got some previous question papers. Basically, I got 10 question papers. So in this video, I am going to discuss only 5 question papers, and other question papers I am going to upload in my Telegram channel. Total 10 question paper I will going to be upload in my Telegram channel, and 5 question papers I will going to be discuss in this video. So if you want to download our these question papers, the link in given in description. You can join our Telegram group. So guys, I hope everyone is safe and healthy in your respective homes and as well as hostels. So here is question paper for third year BSc nursing students, and subject is medical surgical nursing. So examination held in 2015 September. So first question they ask, discuss the sign and symptoms and acute intervention of a patient with cervical spinal cord injury. Explain the long term care and rehabilitation for the patient. So second question is, discuss the types and clinical manifestation of otitis media, surgical procedure for otitis media, as well as explain the rehabilitation of a hearing impaired patient. So third question is, discuss the theories of aging related to musculoskeletal system and cardiovascular changes. Explain the role of a nurse in care of an elder person. So these are the 3 questions. So in 2015 examination held in April, second question paper. So first question they ask pathophysiology, risk factor, clinical manifestation of acute phase of a stroke, and write a note on rehabilitative nursing intervention for hemiplegic patient. So stroke also a very important question. And second question they ask again, surgical procedure otitis media. It is a repetitive question, as you can see. I explained in first question paper. So it is very important paper. Then third question is the warning signs of cancer. Discuss the clinical manifestation and chemotherapeutic intervention of acute leukemia, as well as write a note on bone marrow transplantation. So guys, according to this oncology, this cancer questions is very important, especially bone marrow transplantation. It will be asking for 5 marks sometimes. So please note these questions. It will be very helpful for coming examination. As you can see, third question paper here. So examination held in 2012 in February. First question they ask, list the causes of mastocytitis, and second B is pre-operative preparation and post-operative management with a client who is suffering from mastocytitis. So third one is C is list the complication of mastocytitis. And the second question they ask pathophysiology, sign and symptoms, as well as marital stenosis. Okay, then B they ask, write your physical assessment finding the client and what diagnostic measures are needed for this client. So third is, describe the management of client percutaneous marital catheter balloon valvusplasty. So it is a not that much important question. This is a new thing I seen. Just you can refer this question also. And third question they ask, list the causes and clinical manifestation of chest trauma and management with the intercostal drainage. So intercostal drainage also a very important question. Maybe sometimes it will ask for 5 mark. So fourth question paper, here we go. So examination held in 2011 February or March. So first question they ask about complications of oropharyngeal cancer and etiological factor, as well as clinical manifestation, as well as diagnostic evaluation, as well as surgical management of oral cancer using nursing process. So about this nursing process I will tell in last. So guys, the second question is they ask, 50-year-old businessman admitted with the cerebrovascular accident. Write a causes of cerebral vascular accident, role of a nurse in rehabilitation. Okay, rehabilitation of cerebrovascular accident you have to write. Cerebrovascular accident also very important question. So third question is, define retinal detachment list out the causes, clinical manifestation of retinal detachment, and surgical management of retinal detachment. So fifth question paper is examination held in 2010 August. So first question they ask about burns, etiology, clinical manifestation, pathophysiology, as well as care in burn patient. So second question they ask about bronchostasis, explain the pathophysiology, clinical manifestation, and discuss the nursing care of a patient with bronchostasis. And third question they ask again spinal cord injury, repeated question, and pathophysiology of spinal cord injury, as well as surgical and nursing management of spinal cord injury with a nursing process. So guys, here a nursing process, it is very important. For nursing, if the question ask for nursing process, you have to put your nursing care plan about assessment, nursing diagnosis, goal, intervention, implementation, evaluation. This chart you have to put very necessary. Then you will get a proper and good marks for 10 marks question. So it is a plus point for attending questions, because it will be very helpful. So guys, as you can see, I have these 10 question papers. If I am going to explain all 10 means the video will be going very long, so you guys not understand anything. So just I explain 5 question papers. So these question papers I am going to upload in my Telegram channel. So link given in description. You can join and download this question paper.